Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2563 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle's turbocharger boost control position sensor. And if left unresolved, it can cause loss of turbo boost, poor acceleration, reduced engine power, poor fuel economy, and even limp mode. What does P2563 mean? P2563 stands for Turbocharger Boost Control Position Sensor Circuit Range Performance. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the signal from the turbocharger boost control position sensor is outside the expected range or is not responding correctly. This sensor tells the ECU the actual position of the turbocharger's boost control mechanism. Depending on the vehicle, this mechanism may control the wastegate or variable geometry turbocharger. The ECU compares the commanded turbo position with the actual position reported by the sensor. If the two values don't match, or the sensor signal becomes unstable, the ECU can store the P2563 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2563, you may notice. Check engine light on. Loss of engine power, poor acceleration, low or inconsistent turbo boost, turbocharger hesitation, poor fuel economy, engine entering limp mode, reduced throttle response, and sometimes unusual turbocharger noises. You may especially notice the problem when accelerating hard or climbing a hill. Sensor location. Now let's talk about location. The turbocharger boost control position sensor is normally located directly on or near the turbocharger. Depending on the vehicle, it may be connected to the wastegate actuator or the variable geometry turbocharger actuator. The sensor is connected to the ECU through an electrical wiring harness. Because the turbocharger operates at extremely high temperatures, the sensor and wiring are exposed to significant heat and vibration. The most common causes of P2563 include faulty turbocharger boost control position sensor, sticking wastegate actuator, sticking variable geometry turbocharger mechanism, damaged wiring harness, loose or corroded electrical connector, vacuum problems on vacuum-controlled turbo systems, carbon buildup around the turbo actuator mechanism, turbocharger mechanical damage, or ECU problems in rare cases. A sticking turbo actuator or faulty position sensor is one of the most common causes of this code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional turbocharger or boost-related trouble codes. Inspect the sensor wiring for broken wires, melted insulation, or corrosion. Check the electrical connector for loose terminals or moisture. Use a professional scan tool to monitor the commanded and actual turbocharger position. Check whether the wastegate or turbo actuator moves smoothly. If the system uses vacuum control, inspect the vacuum hoses and control solenoid. Also inspect the turbocharger for mechanical problems. How to fix P2563. Repair damaged wiring. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Repair vacuum leaks. Replace the faulty boost control position sensor if testing confirms failure. Repair or replace the turbocharger actuator if it is sticking or damaged. Clean carbon buildup from the actuator mechanism when appropriate. If the turbocharger itself is mechanically damaged, repair or replace it, clear the trouble code, and perform a road test while monitoring actual and commanded turbocharger position. Final result: fixing P2563 will restore accurate turbocharger position feedback, improve boost control, restore engine power, improve acceleration, increase fuel efficiency, prevent unnecessary limp mode, and help your turbocharged engine operate smoothly again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.